My name is Gary Ward. My job title is floor supervisor. I'm qualified to be a floor supervisor to any process that we have. So I mostly on one certain process, but if I need to fill in for someone else, I can do so. I'm from Jacksboro, Tennessee, originally from Caryville, Tennessee, but I've lived there my whole life. I was self-employed for a while and worked at manufacturing plants a couple times, and then got on here in 2009 and been there since. So I started out as a waste operator and was waste operator till 2016. In October 2016, I became a floor supervisor, and then here I am today. I like to hunt, fish, ride side-by-sides and things like that. Well, it was a 13-pointer, and actually won a big buck contest at the Bird's Taxidermist for having the biggest buck of the year at there, so it was a pretty neat thing to do. And actually last year I've got Tennessee starting the elk hunt now, and I luckily got drawn for an elk tag for the archery hunt, and ended up I got a 6x6 bull, and that was awesome. Yeah, I have a wife. We've been married for 24 years, Susan, and my daughter. I got a daughter that's 18. She's starting into college at Roane State, taking environmental health, and also works part-time at Lowe's, and but all going well with that. So her dream is to come work somewhere in the DOE world, and that's what she's working for. So.